Hello all, welcome to the 9th video in work and time playlist. In the previous videos, we have discussed 5 different techniques to solve work and time related problems and also the fundamental rules and relations. In this video, we are going to discuss the 6th technique. Technique 6 says if A number of men can do a piece of work in X days and B number of boys can do the same work in Y number of days, then the time taken to complete the same work by C number of men and D number of boys will be 1 by X by C by AX plus D by BY number of days. Let's note down what they have given in the question. Given that A number of men can finish the work in X number of days and B number of boys can finish the work in Y number of days, then C number of men and D number of boys together can finish the work in how many number of days? Then it can be calculated by using the formula given. Let's take an example and solve the question step by step rather than using this formula, and then I will tell you how to use that formula. The example is if 5 men can do the work in 2 days, 3 boys can do the same work in 5 days. Then find the time taken to complete the same work by 10 men and 3 boys. How many days do they take? This is we have to find out. And let's solve this question step by step. Given 5 men can complete the work in 2 days, then what is the 1 day work of 5 men? It is 1 by 2. Also given that 3 boys can complete the work in 5 days. Then what is the 1 day work of 3 boys? 1 by 5. These are based on rule number 1, which we have discussed in video number 2 of the same playlist. If you haven't watched those videos, please go and watch those videos. Now let's calculate these values for one person. It is 1 day work of 1 man equals to 1 by 2 into 5. Because 5 persons can do 1 by 2 of the work, then what is the work done by 1 man? By 5. Similarly, 1 day work of 1 boy equals to 1 by 5 into 3. Because 1 day work of 3 boys is 1 by 5, then what is the 1 day work of 1 boy? By 3. The values are 1 by 10 and 1 by 15. Let's see what we have done until now. They have given 5 men can complete the work in 2 days and 3 boys can complete the work in 5 days, and we have calculated 1 day work of 1 man and 1 day work of 1 boy. Then they have asked us to calculate what is the number of days taken by 10 men and 3 boys. So to solve this, let's calculate the 1 day work of 10 men and 3 boys. We have calculated 1 day work of 1 man. Then what is the 1 day work of 10 men? That is 10 into 1 by 10, which equals to 1. And what is the 1 day work of 3 boys? It is 3 into 1 day work of 1 boy, which is nothing but 1 by 15. 3 ones, 3 fives, 1 by 5. So this is the 1 day work of 10 men and 1 day work of 3 boys. Let's add these two values, so we will get 1 day work of 10 men and 3 boys equals to 1 plus 1 by 5, which is nothing but 6 by 5 days. So this is the 1 day work of 10 men and 3 boys. According to second rule, which we have discussed in video number 2, if a person can complete 1 by nth of the work in 1 day, then he will take n number of days to complete the whole work. So if these persons are completing 6 by 5 of the work in 1 day, then they will take reciprocal of this value number of days. It means 5 by 6 number of days to complete the whole work. Hence this is the answer, because they have asked us to calculate the number of days taken by 10 men and 3 boys to complete the work. It is 5 by 6 days. If you find this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Number Nerd.